Greetings from my secret happy beach in Gålö. I am at Gålö Havtornsudd, a peninsula out in the nature with a hiking trail out on the Baltic Sea. And once every year I come to my special happy beach spot that is at the very end of the small peninsula out on the Baltic Sea directly. And it is around 2 kilometers hike from Gålö, which is the bus stop at Gålö Havsbad, which is the main public beach here, and overpopulated if you ask me. So if you want to find peace and quiet, I can recommend this spot that is empty on a very hot day like this. Yes, we have 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and I'm gonna check soon the temperature in the water as well. But I just love this type of peaceful yellow beaches out on the Baltic Sea. And here I can see also some ships, smaller ships, sailboats, speedboats passing by. And I have this small beach, secluded one, secret one, only for myself. So I'm gonna be enjoying fully today on this 9th of July and beach to number 54. It is 12 o'clock right now, and this spot over here is facing a bit more north, so the sun will be not here after 4 p.m. I think. Then I will move towards some other beach spot across here. But look at the water, it's so amazing and so clean and so clear. I just can't believe I have this piece of beauty just for myself today. It is amazing. A lot better than to be on a public beach, in my opinion. And it's just a 2 kilometers hike to have a view like this and have a swim in the fresh, clean and clear Baltic Sea. The water is a bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie, but on a hot day like this, it's definitely a miracle. So we are dealing with 16 degrees Celsius in the air at this secret beach spot that I visit once every year. It's located in Haninge, and to get here for me the trip was around 1.5 hours, including 2 buses and the commuter train. So you will need to get on the commuter train from central Stockholm to Väster Haninge, and from there are very rare buses that go here, 845. The same one that I took actually for Oxno last week, where I found a beautiful beach. Not as beautiful as this one, but it was amazing. So yeah, and I can enjoy here the view of speedboats and sailboats popping up as well. Gålö Havsbad is in that direction, and it's a child-friendly beach that I have visited several times before. When I come to Gålö, I come to this spot, but it is not the only spot here. Across the coast over here there are several beach spots like this, but this one is my favorite because it's just at the very end and facing a bit more open sea that you can have depth quite fast, as it is a bit more shallow along the coast here. But there are so many beach spots here, and they were basically empty, most of them, as I was passing by. But I really wanted to come to my happy spot, that is this one behind me. Okay, one of the happiest spots in Stockholm. Because it looks absolutely stunning. Just look at the water and the mix of it. So, Gålö Havtornsudd, beautiful nature and waves that are coming from the speedboat that just went by. We are ready to go in for a swim! Whew. It's deep already. That's so beautiful. Look at my view from the water. Isn't it amazing? It's stunning. It's stunning beauty and nature all around. I just can't believe that I have this spot once again for me, and I really missed it, this one. So I don't usually come here with my bike, as I need to carry my bike for 2 kilometers along the forest, which is not optimal. And I don't really want to lock it, as it can be stolen. And there is a plane coming out right now. Plane. It looks like a military plane. I don't know. But yeah, just enjoy this wonderful beauty, as I will be enjoying here at least for 6 hours. As I think that the last bus is around 6:30. I need to double check, but 6 hours is more than enough to enjoy this beauty here in the sea. Here on this secret beach spot at the Gålö Havtornsudd in Haninge. Cool! Thank you so much for watching this episode and letting me show you one of my happiest spots in the beautiful Swedish nature in Stockholm region. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!